Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the mummy's hand in Grow a Garden. So you basically need to go grave digging. If you go to rewards here, you can get the mummy's hand here, as you can see in the Hexurpent. The mummy's hand is a plant and the Hexurpent is a pet. So go grave digging, and hopefully I'm going to, okay, I guess it's not here. It's not, oh. Okay. I got this, which is, oh, a whisk flower. That's new. But yeah, the chances are kind of low, so you just have to play your luck and hopefully you get it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.